You alright? Yeah. Your car?
Yeah, rental.
A rental, who's in there with you?
Just my 2 friends.
You alright?
Yeah, you good?
Yeah. Same for a search, Section 23 Misuse of Drugs Act. Rob, he was hiding something. Hands in the small of your back. Right, 3 of you are detained for a search under Section 23 of the Misuse of Drugs Act, okay? Because there's information linking this vehicle to drugs, okay? When we stopped and walked up, you've been panicking, like you're trying to hide something.
I just chucked a spliff on quick one.
There's been a whiff of cannabis as we've got out of our car. We've been hit by a whiff of cannabis as well, okay? Oh, there we are. P with A, Rob. Right, you're under arrest, okay? Especially possessing Class A drugs with intent to supply. You don't have to say anything. You may have a defence. Do not mention one question. Some of you later on in court, then you do say maybe giving evidence, okay? Same goes for you. You're also under arrest, okay?
Why am I under arrest for?
I mean, as to the words concern the supply. By this moment in time,
But I'm unlicensed and that.
it's 15 hours. You're under arrest on suspicion of being concerned in the supply of Class A controlled drugs.
I didn't know he had it on him.
Arm behind your back. You're under arrest, okay? Being concerned in the supply of controlled drugs.
Oh dear. Okay, so it's got cash in here. 4 cash.